Tired of tossing and turning? Do you long for a peaceful night's sleep? Are you tired of waking up feeling drained? Many of us struggle to get the restful sleep we need, but what if the answer to better sleep and a healthier life lies in a simple, natural remedy? Castor oil, a time-tested elixir, might be the key to unlocking a world of benefits. A journey back in time, castor oil's ancient roots. Castor oil has a rich history dating back centuries. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Chinese, revered this potent oil for its healing properties. They used it for everything from wound healing to hair growth, recognizing its remarkable ability to soothe and restore. Today, modern science is rediscovering the power of castor oil, confirming what ancient cultures knew all along. The science behind the magic, unlocking castor oil's power. Castor oil's magic lies in its unique chemical composition. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, an unusual fatty acid rarely found in nature. This powerful compound is responsible for many of castor oil's impressive benefits. Ricinoleic acid acts as an anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling and pain. It also boasts antimicrobial properties, fighting off harmful bacteria and promoting healing. Luscious locks and radiant skin. Castor oil's beauty secrets. This natural elixir has been a staple in beauty routines for centuries, revered for its multifaceted benefits. From ancient Egypt to modern-day beauty enthusiasts, castor oil has stood the test of time. Castor oil has long been prized for its beauty-enhancing properties. Its rich, thick consistency and high concentration of fatty acids make it a powerhouse ingredient in skincare and hair care. The oil is extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, and its unique composition includes ricinoleic acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. When applied to the scalp, its ricinoleic acid boosts blood circulation, delivering vital nutrients to hair follicles. This increased blood flow not only nourishes the hair roots but also helps to strengthen them, reducing hair fall and breakage. Regular scalp massages with castor oil can lead to healthier, more resilient hair over time. This promotes hair growth, resulting in thicker, fuller hair, including eyelashes and eyebrows. Many people have found that consistent use of castor oil can lead to noticeable improvements in hair density and length. It's a natural alternative to chemical-laden hair growth products, offering a gentle yet effective solution for those looking to enhance their hair's natural beauty. Castor oil also works wonders for the skin. Its emollient properties make it an excellent moisturizer, capable of penetrating deep into the skin to provide lasting hydration. The oil's fatty acids help to restore the skin's natural moisture balance, making it an ideal remedy for dry, flaky skin. It acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and hydrated. Additionally, castor oil's antimicrobial properties can help to combat acne-causing bacteria, making it a versatile addition to any skincare routine. Whether used as a standalone treatment or mixed with other natural ingredients, castor oil can help to achieve a radiant, healthy complexion. So, if you're looking to enhance your beauty regimen with a time-tested, natural solution, consider adding castor oil to your daily routine. Soothing aches and pains. Castor oil as a natural analgesic. For centuries, castor oil has provided relief from aches, pains, and inflammation. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to ricinoleic acid, make it a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. Applying a warm castor oil pack to sore muscles and joints can work wonders, easing stiffness and reducing discomfort. This traditional remedy offers a gentle, natural approach to pain management. Sleep soundly, wake refreshed. Castor oil for restful nights. In this segment, we will explore how this natural remedy can transform your nightly routine and help you achieve a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Believe it or not, castor oil can even improve your sleep. This age-old remedy, known for its myriad of health benefits, can be a game-changer for those struggling with restless nights. Massaging a small amount of castor oil onto your feet or abdomen before bed can promote relaxation and induce a sense of calm. This simple yet effective practice can help you unwind after a long day, preparing your body and mind for a peaceful night's sleep. The act of massage itself is soothing, providing a gentle, tactile sensation that can ease tension and stress. When combined with the unique properties of castor oil, this nightly ritual can become a powerful tool in your sleep arsenal. Castor oil may also influence nerve endings, promoting a feeling of tranquility. The oil's natural compounds can penetrate the skin, providing a warming sensation that further enhances relaxation. This can be particularly beneficial for those who find it difficult to switch off their minds at night. Incorporating this simple ritual into your nightly routine could be the key to unlocking a world of restful sleep. Imagine drifting off to sleep with ease, waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. By making castor oil a part of your bedtime routine, you can create a calming environment that promotes better sleep quality and overall well-being. To get started, simply take a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it onto your feet or abdomen. Focus on slow, circular motions, allowing the oil to absorb into your skin. As you massage, take deep breaths and let go of any lingering stress or tension. Over time, you'll find that this nightly ritual not only helps you fall asleep faster, but also improves the quality of your sleep. You'll wake up feeling more rested, with a greater sense of well-being. So why not give it a try? Embrace the soothing power of castor oil and transform your nights into a time of true rest and rejuvenation. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for your overall health and happiness. By incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine, you can create a sanctuary of calm and relaxation, paving the way for more restful nights and brighter mornings. Sweet dreams. Quality matters. Choosing the best castor oil for optimal results. Not all castor oil is created equal. To reap the full benefits of this natural wonder, it's essential to choose high-quality cold-pressed castor oil. Look for organic hexane-free varieties that are pale yellow in color. Avoid clear or dark-colored oils, as these may indicate impurities or improper processing. Investing in the best quality castor oil ensures you're getting the purest, most potent form for optimal results. Integrating castor oil into your nightly ritual. Adding castor oil to your nightly routine is simple and rewarding. This versatile oil has been used for centuries for its myriad of benefits, ranging from skincare to pain relief. By incorporating it into your evening ritual, you can enhance your overall well-being and enjoy a more restful night. For hair and skin, massage a few drops into your scalp or desired areas before bed. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which helps to nourish and moisturize. It can promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Simply warm a small amount between your hands and gently work it into your scalp or skin, allowing the oil to penetrate deeply overnight. For pain relief, create a warm castor oil pack by soaking a cloth in oil and applying it to the affected area. This method is particularly effective for soothing sore muscles, joint pain, and inflammation. To make a castor oil pack, soak a piece of flannel or cotton cloth in castor oil. Place it on the area of discomfort, and cover it with plastic wrap. Apply a heating pad or hot water bottle on top to enhance absorption, and leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour. For sleep enhancement, gently massage a small amount of oil onto your feet or abdomen. The soothing properties of castor oil can help to relax your body and mind, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Focus on massaging the oil into the soles of your feet or your abdomen in circular motions, which can also aid in digestion and reduce stress. Experiment to find what works best for you and enjoy the transformative benefits of this natural remedy. Whether you use it for hair care, skin hydration, pain relief, or sleep enhancement, castor oil can become a cherished part of your nightly ritual. Take the time to explore its various uses and discover how it can improve your nightly routine, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed each morning. Embrace the power of nature castor oil for a healthier you. In a world of complex and often expensive health and beauty products, castor oil stands out as a simple, natural, and affordable solution. Its wide-ranging benefits, from promoting hair growth and relieving pain to enhancing sleep and hydrating skin, make it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Embrace the power of nature and unlock a healthier, happier you with the magic of castor oil.